Yeah, so glad we can talk about our sex lives now. That's totally an improvement. I hooked up with a younger woman the other week. Got a prom date.